before I go to Major General Sanjay Messon, a quick word there from Arshpreet Khadial. You know, what also stood out that, and for anybody, was that this was at the end of the day, a press briefing after the CWC meeting. And this wasn't just an off-the-cuff remark, and it comes at a time when it is being said within the party that this is our line, so don't go beyond this. Our position is we are with the government. So how can then Mr. Channi take a position of this kind, then been forced to clarify his position? You know, why put yourself in that position is what I'm asking, and also the manner in which the Congress, appears in all of this. You appear like somebody who's not standing with the country at this hour. Arshpreet Khadial, I'm asking you this.
Number one, thank you. I'll answer your question. See, number one is, if they want to attribute one leader's statement to the entire party, let's go by equality, let's go by the same logic. Tariq Ahmed Mir, ex-MLA candidate from Vachi, was arrested for supplying arms to Hizbul Mujahideen in May 2020, associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Talib Hussain Shah, ex-office bearer of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who turned out to be a member of Lashkar-e-Taiba. And
Arshpreet Khadial, you're doing everything but answer my question. You're not answering my specific question on why embarrass yourself. Why embarrass yourself? Why take a position at the all-party meeting? Please let me ask you this question. Why take a position at the all-party meeting that we are with the government and then embarrass the party in this fashion is all that I'm asking you. And then, should the party leadership not be seen taking action after the gag order? These statements are made, and that too after the Congress Working Committee meeting. And then should action not be taken is all I'm asking.
The very reason as to why a press conference was done was so that action could be taken, it could be initiated, and the Bharatiya Janata Party could wake up from its sleep. That's why the very press conference was done. But the Bharatiya Janata Party focused on one statement and left the 99% of the rest of the press conference. We want to tell the Bharatiya Janata Party that it was Mr. Modi back in the day who went to attend Nawaz Sharif's granddaughter's wedding, who had Kashmiri chai there in Pakistan.
At that point in time, things are very different. Arshpreet Khadial, just tell me, does it not embarrass you as a Congress spokesperson today to sit here and to defend the statements that have been made by Channi and many other leaders over the past 1 week or so, saying all kinds of things about the Pahalgam attack and about what the government has done and not done, and taking a position saying that you stand with the government, but then make these statements and then come out and then explain yourself? Why? It's not just Mr. Channi.
I'll answer your question. Does it not embarrass the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson to have leaders like Tariq Ahmed Mir, Talib Hussain Shah, Dhruv Saxena,
Arshpreet Khadial, you know what? The thing is that you don't want to answer my question, then there's little I can do. The fact is that after every press briefing, each time the mic is put to your face, you have to come out and clarify. You know, why do you need to put yourself in a position in which you have to come out and clarify?
Why does the Bharatiya Janata Party have to have such leaders who have such links with ISI, Lashkar-e-Taiba?
Okay, one moment. RP Singh, a quick response from you before I bring in Major General, please. RP Singh, quick response from you, please, sir.
Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister, said there's no need for war. Their other leader said, oh, no religion was asked, Mr. Timarpur. Saifuddin says, oh, let's accept the version of the Pakistan. He's on record. So, no, whatever Pakistan is saying is right, let's accept their version. Robert Vadra is happening because the environment had been built up against the Muslims. That's why this happened. I mean, every leader, their leader, another leader said, oh, pani bijli katne se kya hoga from Himachal. So, it is, as I said, it's not the first time it's happening. It's the DNA of Congress to do whatever can help Pakistan or China to further the interest in the situation.
Okay, the fact is that these statements are often being raised in the Pakistan media, and we've seen that because it's very contradictory. Like he said, Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, said there should not be war. War is not the solution. Here, India is doing one thing after the other. Every single day, it's a diplomatic strike. They're trying to throttle Pakistan financially, but the Congress says, what are you doing? Where is your 56-inch chest?